Say bye.
Alright, welcome back. Let me guess. Camera. Welcome back, Taffy Bwoi family. And I am here for the rematch. Now, this is my defending champion, the wife. And this is me, the about to be champion, the husband. And we have some new adjustments because we have to. And I remember when she said,
You know, for the human, I thought you were going to go with your favorite song of all times. That's it's human understanding.
oh, that was, you see, if I did that, the song there alone with human in it, watch how impossible it is.
Love.
It would have
Serious.
impossible if I even find second.
I'm only human. That's that I like.
I never that the one day say I want me sing. They say I want me sing Hallelujah human. I come thus now to say thank you, O King. Your tour, not just a part, 20, everything done in and more of my life. You're my everything. That are 20 words. Your love reaches way down deep within. That are 7 more. That are 27. Passes human. 29 words later. That shame myself by 39. 29 words later. 39 words. As I'm saying, 7 seconds you have. 39 or 29 words later. We couldn't get it. Mm-hmm. But in order to get in a this competition, me have to go in a my dream and get you and then come back before you say it. So now we are allowed to choose the first 4 words out of the first 4 words of the I wonder who. Are you the discoverer? Me are the one who carry out the law. So the first 4 words are the chorus, first 4 words are anyone at the verse. You can't go down at 20 yard and 30 yard. That's just cruel. So that is our one rule. And we establish if we lose, she is going to sing one of my original. It's reggae and she can't sing reggae.
And if good. You lose.
And if I lose, I won't lose. So I'm not prepared. But
if you lose, you have to cook dinner for
babe, me always a cook. That is not a punishment.
I'm just
Anyway, if me lose, me to try sing one song where me know it's a me can.
You have to make breakfast with extended.
No.
Maybe switch up. If you lose, you have to wake up 6 o'clock every morning.
I wake up 6 o'clock to pray.
Okay. It should be easy then.
It's like a big punishment for you.
It should be easy.
Okay, that's it. Me not gonna lose
you, not me. You.
And you can't get up out of bed when you wake up 6. Alright, let's do this. First, we have 7 words already. We write them down before we start because time. Now, are you ready? Alright. Move.
Move, Satan, move, make me pass. Move, Satan, move, make me pass.
Hey.
For I am born again, saved and sanctified.
I got me that in mind. Alright.
Say.
I say of the Lord is a strong tower. I say of the Lord
and is... it's the name of the Lord is...
I'm a remix name.
No.
Remix. What way you would that be if I know? I say...
The name of the Lord is...
I say, you say. Say.
Yeah.
I told me always a remix that song there with you. I cast that. Yo, me forget the points.
Alright.
Babe, me remix the song there well. I say of the Lord is my strong tower.
Alright, one. Am I worthy?
So what songs?
No, you're worthy.
Yeah, but I wish songs they say. You don't know.
Say unto my soul, don't you worry. The Lord will make a way somehow. I forgot that I have points to the person who get it. I forgot about that rule.
You could have continued to forget.
Okay.
My word. All. Time.
Babe, that was 2 seconds.
Time. No, 2 Jesus. I know 2 seconds, babe. A 7.
You know what? Choose one different word.
No.
No.
You
That
lose
was
that.
not
No,
time.
that's a time. Me count it.
That
Me
was
say
not
it, I think about
time,
it.
love.
Me say it, you start, and then me count 6 seconds after that. That means the 7 seconds would have gone. It's not 5 seconds.
It's okay. Let's just move
When
forward.
time me I review
Let
the
me
tape.
put the
When me I
timer.
review the tape,
Well, let me just set the timer now.
all things are working for my good. Yeah. That's how me go with. Never failing. I don't love how you write number. Now, what is 0 half? What is 0 half? What is 1/2 0? You know, just put one on your word.
Sunset.
Sunset. Sunset.
Time.
No, you know, go off.
Too many sunsets.
No, that's wrong. No, too many rivers.
Too many rivers.
Too many rivers
My
first.
feet has walked through. Too many treasures.
Too thief.
Awaits me over yonder.
Too many sunsets
too
first.
Much to get to.
You know what I mean? Kind of like that game. How you go right
I have crossed the hot burning.
All right.
desert.
How much me the 2?
Struggling.
Babe,
Okay. Your turn.
Give me my pen.
Let me sit. Okay, go ahead.
Send. Hallelujah.
No, send.
Come right me half time.
No, we can't write it.
Send down the rain.
Hallelujah.
Send down the rain. I'll be on the inside looking at the outside.
Say something.
No matter.
It matter. You should do it. You have map of
I
it.
still not send down the rain.
Send down the rain.
I become here with a remix.
Send down the rain. Down the rain. Send down the rain. Send down the gospel rain.
It's coming down. It's coming down.
Alright.
Yes, the glory of the Lord is coming down.
My word.
Wait. You have to press start. Oh, I mean, there's half mark. I'm sorry. Website?
No.
I get that one now.
You ready?
Jesus. Yes. After the sunshine comes the rain. After the na. After the na.
Let's look up your song.
Huh?
Let's look up your song.
After the comes. Hey, you're losing. Hey, imagine for your lead. You don't know that the song they are Jamaican. After that, no. You're a Jamaican song, you probably not see it. You know how Google is here. No. After a while. Okay. After a while. No, compare. Why me can't give me all song? You know me no good pan it. You know say me good pan it all song them, so you better tap with them because me will win you. Give me it.
Come, give me the next word.
You write down my time.
Give me the next word. We take 14 seconds to give.
Babe, you write down your time. Alright, give. Press.
Give me you.
You do that last week.
Anything.
You just lame. So you don't know how to win with a new song.
Give me you.
I don't understand their algebra, their physics.
Lord, give me you. Mind your business.
My part of the pants me I look for. Alright.
Watch me this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who?
Who am I that the king would bleed and die for? Yes! Who am I that die for? The answer I may never know. Why he ever loved me so. Pam padam pam. From the old rugged cross. Badam.
No, you say who am I that the king? What?
Who am I that the king should bleed? You don't know that song there? You're not Jamaican. Who am I that tata? The song me tell you, no, give me all songs them now.
You're not good for me. Alright.
No, give me them. Because you will lose. Oh, Grace. Wait, no, stop looking at me here like say you love me, no, man.
Grace and mercy. Grace and mercy.
Hey. How much marks you forget for that? How much marks you forget for that? A half mark?
Because it's within my 7 seconds.
Forget you. Me should have left you, you know. And then me show you said no song must go so.
Grace brought me through.
Man, Kevin don't well so your man. So it's big calling grace. I hit me up to grace brought me here. What? If it wasn't for your grace.
You ready?
We tie, right?
No. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Get.
Get thee behind me.
Time. No song of the song. No song.
Get ready, everybody.
Get
Why? Get ready, everybody. Get the time up.
Yes, time up.
You're sure?
I'm losing my half pint. I get on my knees. I get on my
You get quarter pants for that. You come on for the rank yet first. You think they're not song. How me feel? Me can't, you see, me feel like me and okay.
Come on, you're
supposed to winning now. Get ready, everybody. Get me. Babe, you should have given me a good song that time, me John, you know. Why my brain a freeze up? Let
not your heart.
me keep singing song, you know, tell me about my heart singing one song. Time. Me say later, you say let not my heart be troubled. Me no have a problem. Sing one song. Your time up 0 marks. Me no.
Give me a pen. Let me write down my marks to you, like.
Babe.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Alright. I need to select. It's that easy.
Hey, nobody said the last time you said that.
Get this,
at
babe.
29
the
words
last
later.
time I said that, you still got the song. You ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Free. Okay.
Free. What?
Is time.
Seriously? It's not free.
Let me get me half pint. Let me give you the song.
What kind of song say free? God so good
free.
to me.
Praise the Lord, I'm free.
Well, like we're free, baby, you're not getting no pints for that. Free. So what that maybe we'll have to come back and sing it. We feel like me alone.
And the free baby real. So real to me.
And that the fact that it's real. Real. I'm not don't fall for this fight me. Real.
Alright, last word.
Fill
my cup, Lord. I lift it up, Lord. Come and quench the thirsting of my soul.
Me don't like her song.
Bread of heaven.
How much pints me there?
Feed me till I want no more. Fill my cup. You what I'm gonna lose for that one, yeah? You ready?
So you're still like, oh yes, we can win. We can.
There's no way you can win there.
Babe, we can equal your points and then we go in a death match. I'm a dust you.
Sure, you're going to death match with the time.
I mean, I change. Remember, I say I make up the rule as we go, so that I have to change. The death match still I go on if me lose. If me not lose, fine, you can continue. But if me lose, but me not lose still.
Alright.
Word.
You ready?
Yes.
Curtain.
Give me your word now, babe. Roll back the curtains. Memories now and then. Show me where you brought me from and where I could have been. Remember, I am among
babe, with a whopping amount of
humans. Forget. You hear what song say human forget. So if we not tie, I forget right on my pints. Them. That me and tell her. No teasing.
remind me. Remind me.
Mm-hmm.
Baby, I have a whopping points of 4 points.
Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pints this, you know?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So me get 7, you get 7. That means so we tight. And I'm like, hey, look here, your teeth, me enough. All right, so me lose. So me lose.
It's a wrap. Taffy Bwoi. So end the video.
Yeah. Why me can't win one? How me have all my words then? Next time, me I go choose fair words than fair.
Okay.